The TOUTOUAN Humidifier is a great choice for anyone looking for quality performance. This humidifier has a capacity of 2.11 gallons, making it perfect for large rooms. It also has a runtime of 48 hours, making it a great option for overnight use. Additionally, it features 3 mist levels and a 12-hour timer, making it easy to customize your experience. Plus, the whisper quiet operation ensures that you won't be disturbed while the humidifier is running. And if you're looking to add a touch of aromatherapy to your experience, this humidifier also includes an aromatherapy function as well. Here's what I'll show you in this video. Humidifier for large room and bedroom. Ultrasonic, cool mist humidifier with 2.1 gallon removable water tank. Improve the traditional model leakage problem and top fill design for easy to refill. It can be used up to 48 hours. Humidification capacity of 300 milliliters per hour. Best humidifier for home, bedroom, dorm, and living room. Custom humidity and 3 speed options. This humidifier for the bedroom has 3 atomization speed adjustments, high, medium, and low, but also you can set a constant humidity that ranges from 45 to 90. When the humidity reaches desired level, it will automatically stop humidification. If the level is low, it will automatically reopen humidification. Sleep mode and 12 hours timer. This humidifier will produce lower noise than 35 decibels with just sleep mode. It can turn off all the lights to provide a comfortable sleeping environment. 1 to 12 hours timer. You can use the remote control without leaving the bed to control the humidifier. Essential oils should be dripped into the aromatherapy cartridge. Do not add essential oil directly to the water tank. No more filter replacement. This large humidifier with Wheatstone filter and UV light sterilization can save you a lot of money in a year. It is recommended to keep the humidity between 45 to 65, which is the best humidity for your skin. Quality service. Amazon is very concerned about the customer service experience. So please contact customer service department immediately with any questions. They are always ready to help you 24 hours. Eight reasons to buy. This humidifier can cover a large area of up to 600 square feet. It has a runtime of up to 48 hours, which means that it can be on for long periods. You can choose from 3 mist levels to find the perfect humidity level for you. It has a 1 to 12 hour timer, so you can customize it to run for as long as you need it to. This humidifier has whisper quiet operation of less than 35 decibels that keeps you comfortable without disrupting the environment. It comes with UV light sterilization to kill bacteria and viruses. This humidifier gives the humidity output of 300 milliliters per hour for optimum comfort. The aromatherapy function lets you enjoy your favorite scents while you humidify your home. One reason not to buy. There is no temperature gauge on this humidifier. Will this work with well water? Answer: yes, if you want to use it with hard water, it works great. You do not have to do any maintenance other than wiping the tank every few months with paper towels. Is this item noisy? Answer: this humidifier works below 35 decibels, and the noise varies from person to person. Is this an ultrasonic humidifier? Answer: yes, it is an ultrasonic cold mist humidifier. Will it maintain a set humidity level and hold it continuously? Answer: yes, you can preset the humidity. When it reaches, will stop humidification. If reaches below 5%, it will start humidification again. Does it require emptying it every day? Answer: you don't need to empty it every day. It is generally recommended to clean it once every 7 to 10 days. What type of water can I use to operate this humidifier? Answer: you can use pure water, distilled water, or tap water. What is the use of UV light? Answer: UV light can destroy some of the bacteria inside the water. Will this overheat during continuous use? Answer: rest assured, the humidifier will work all the time. How do you add essential oils? Answer: there is a small aromatherapy cartridge on the back of the machine. You just need to take it out and add essential oils. The TOUTOUAN Humidifier is a great way to increase the humidity in your home, and this model has some great features that make it a top choice. It has a large water tank that can last up to 48 hours, 3-speed settings, and a sleep mode. UV light sterilization helps to keep the water clean, and you don't have to worry about changing any filters. This humidifier is also whispered quietly so you can use it at night without disturbing your sleep. Finally, the aromatherapy function is a great way to enjoy your favorite essential oils while you moisturize the air. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.